Hey guys, happy Monday. So for today, I thought we would go over your sight words for this week, talk about your pages that you need to complete on Monday, which are make these flashcards for your high frequency words, word endings using ed and ing, so ed or ing, and then the long e spelling patterns. I'm going to talk about this a little later in the week, but we can look over this sheet together first. All right, so, oops. Let's get started with your high frequency words. So repeat after me. Above, studied, bare, surprised, even, teacher, pushed, toward. Oh, that's it. Okay, so back up top we go. I'm going to say them now and I'm going to clap out the syllables. Okay, do it with me. Above, above, two. Studied, studied. Bare, bare, one syllable. Surprised, surprised. Even, even. Teacher, teacher. Pushed, pushed. I think that's right. Pushed, yeah. Toward, toward. Oh, and that's it. I keep forgetting towards the last one. So let's make a few sentences using some of these words and then comment below this video on Seesaw and use two high frequency words in two separate sentences. All right, I would love to see that. So I studied last night. I studied really hard for my math test. Oh no, it's a bear! I was so surprised that you came to my birthday. I've always wanted to be a teacher. I pushed the door open. All right, so there's a few examples. Now let's hear some of your sentences. Let's take a look at what you need to have done for today. So words ending with ed or ing. If the word is, if you use ed at the end of it, that means it's past tense. It already happened. If you use the word ending ing, it means it's happening right this minute. So, she is rush blank to the store. Does it mean she is rushed to the store or she is rushing to the store? This would be happening right this minute. So which would you use, ed or ing? You would use ing. She is rushing to the store because it's happening right now. Take a look at number 2. Dad work all day and night. Dad working all day and night or dad worked all day and night? This is past tense. He already did it, right? He worked. So you're going to add ed to number 2. He worked. He already did it. It's already done. If you wanted to use ing, you could say dad is working all day and all night. But because there's no is, you have to say that it's past tense, that it already happened, okay? Let's take a look at number 3. He jump up and down. It doesn't have is in there, so it's not happening right this minute. So what would that be? It already happened. So you would add what? I'm going to let you do that one on your own. Nick is sleep blank, so do not wake him. Is he going to sleep right this minute or did it already happen? If he's going to sleep right this minute, you would add ing. If it already happened, you would add ed. And number 5, what book are you read blank? Is he reading that book right now, or did it already happen? He's reading it right now, so it would be ing. What book are you reading, right? Okay. Please let me know if you have any questions with that. The long E spelling pattern. So you're going to circle the word that makes the most sense at the end of the sentence, and then you're going to write it in this blank space. So number 1, the tape is very wet. Sticky or feet? Number 2, blank are very sweet. Bean or berries are very sweet. Take a look at the picture to help you. This blank is very cute. Cut or kitty? And number 4, flowers grow in a blank. Field or fold? So you see how in this worksheet, the Y and the IE make the E sound? So sticky. Berry. E. Kitty. E makes the E sound at the end. Field, right? So we will do a fun YouTube video with this later this week. But I just wanted to go over this with you really quickly. Yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will talk to you later. Have a fabulous day, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.